Hey guys, here's another problem. 5 to the power of m times 8 to the power of m minus 1 over m is equal to 500. Find the value of m. So here's the solution. First, let's bring down the given equation. Next is, for the base of 8, we can write it into a power form in terms of 2. And that is 2 to the power of 3. So 5 to the power of m times 2 to the power of 3 whole to the power of m minus 1 over m equals 500. Next is, we can multiply power to a power. So that is now 5 to the power of m times 2 to the power of 3 times m, that is 3m. 3 times negative 1, that is negative 3, over m equals, for this 500, we can write it into a power form, and that is 5 cubed times 2 squared. Next is, we can divide both sides by 5 cubed times 2 squared. So for this, let's apply the rule of a power. We have a to the power of x over a to the power of y, which is also equal to a to the power of x minus y. So this is now 5 to the power of m minus 3 times 2 to the power of 3m minus 3 over m minus 2. Then equals, for the right side, this is equivalent to 1. Now this is 5 to the power of m minus 3 times 2 to the power of, here, m times negative 2, that is negative 2m, plus this. So this is now 3m minus 3 minus 2m all over the denominator m equals 1. Next, the power, we can combine like terms. So this is now 5 to the power of m minus 3 times 2 to the power of 3m minus 2m, that is 1m. So we just write it as m. Then minus 3 over m equals 1. Now next is, let's follow this rule of a power. A to the power of x times b to the power of x, which is also equal to a times b whole to the power of x. So for this, since they have a common power, which is m minus 3, now we can write it as 5 times 2 to the power of 1 over m, then whole to the power of m minus 3. So now, for this, equals 1. So now for this, we can follow this. A to the power of b is equal to 1, where b is equal to 0. And that is, a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So for this, we can say that m minus 3 is equal to 0. And that m is equal to positive 3. Now next is, since this is already a 0, so we have 5 times 2 to the power of 1 over m equals 1. Now we can divide both sides by 5. So this can be cancelled. So we're left here with 2 to the power of 1 over m equals 1 over 5. Now for this 1 over 5, we can write it as 5 to the power of negative 1. So this is now 2 to the power of 1 over m equals 5 to the power of negative 1. Now to continue, we can take the log of both sides with the base of 2. So this is now log of 2 to the power of 1 over m base 2 equals log of 5 to the power of negative 1 base 2. And then we can write it as 1 over m equals negative log of 5 base 2. And now this is equivalent to 1 over m equals negative 1 over log of 2 base 5. And this is now m is equal to negative log of 2 base 5. And this is our final answer. Again, m is equal to negative log of 2 base 5. Therefore, 5 to the power of m times 8 to the power of m minus 1 over m equals 500. The value of m is equal to negative log of 2 base 5. And that's all for today. For more exciting videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to Fun with Maths.